Oh, you tell her. How are you? Good. So she said, whoa.
They have a lot of dogs.
You got dogs every corner.
Sa Miyerkules daw kunin niya.
Corner, huh?
Sa Miyerkules daw.
Anong Sabado pinaliguan ko sila na ngayon, madumis na naman.
Pinaliguan mo.
Pinaliguan ko ng Sabado.
Ah,
Seven?
she gives shower on Saturday.
Shower?
Yeah, because she thought that we
Yeah, you
didn't.
know, every time we say Sunday, Wednesday, so now she... Oh.
Look at this.
Ano din dalawa, kaya parang may kalaro siya doon.
Kaya nga eh.
Bring the cage. Not like this. You cannot take them like this.
They are so cute, guys.
Kuji, 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 kuji.
Ay,
We're getting them for free. Hindi pa. Sa Miyerkules daw siya dabating.
sana.
Martis bukas sunod na araw. Sabi ko, bili ka na ng lagayan ng lagayan nila ng
Makulit na.
ang lusog nila, oh.
Bili ko kasi ng paninda, wala nang paninda. Nalubog ng paninda ko eh.
Ha?
Ibili kayo pag nabenta siya. Hindi pwede yung dumaming aso dito, dami nang malaki.
Eh, magkano pala benta mo nito?
Kaya pag natukat pa lang, dispatcha na kasi inaantayin lumaki, dami.
Magkano benta mo? Hindi ko nasabi sa kanya. Oo. Ang cute, they are cute.
Alagaan din nga, ano tawag yun?
This one, going?
Oo, alagaan nila.
You want this one back?
Yeah.
Going?
Yeah, both of the siblings.
Parang may
Oh, they're siblings.
Yeah,
Hindi pwede isa lang eh.
The brothers.
Parang may
Yeah.
kalaro siya.
the brothers. Only two. Only two of them.
Two left.
Ayan, I think there are three. Yun na yung ano mo, kasi hindi ko akala kasi bigay mo eh. Hindi ko na sinabi na bibintaw pala.
They don't look like siblings, huh?
I
Totally
know.
different. Who is the mama? Who is the mama?
May lahi yung nanay niya nandun. Oh.
Which one is the mama? Oh, maybe that one. Okay? Yeah, there, yeah.
They are 2 months old. She has a lot of dogs here.
Next. So that's the mama. The papa, you know, is a Filipino. Gone. He make baby gone.
Hanap-hanapin na niya anak niya pag wala na eh.
Yeah.
Pero mga anak ko ulit yan.
Papa make
Gusto
those.
ko nga pala, pati yun o, may lahi
It's,
yun, malaki
it's okay to touch? Is he okay to touch? Because he
Which
coming
one?
to me, is okay to
Oo,
touch?
mabait yan, hindi mga gato.
No, yeah, it's
Ito,
okay.
ano to siya? Ilang taon na siya dito sa
Because
Mabini?
he's coming, he's coming.
Yeah, it's okay to touch, she said.
Yeah? No, but what she say about this?
It's okay to touch, she said, because they are mabait.
Oh, they okay? Okay.
They're okay.
Because, you know, when you see the tail, it means...
This is how they sleep. This is their house. Hmm. Dito kayo natutulog. Kayo lang dalawa. Ah. Paano pag umulan?
Ayun lang,
Hindi kayo mabasa? Hindi naman. I asked them if, what if it's raining.
And then, oh yeah,
They don't get wet, they said.
no, oh, we'll just stay here.
Yeah, they sleep there.
Oh, yeah, but rain doesn't come from there?
It's probably very windy, then it's probably they will get wet a little bit. Saan po kayo nagluluto? Ah.
pag may
Okay.
So this is the dirty kitchen they cook here. That's the bathroom and that's the kitchen.
This also here?
They're playing.
You here? No. You here? No.
They're playing.
Go. She doesn't stay here. This little girl doesn't stay here.
Ah, she doesn't
Father
stay
is
here.
a tricycle driver, that's why she's here.
Ah,
She doesn't either.
ayan, nagtinda sa basi.
So it's only...
yung dating Cowboy Grill.
Oo, doon sila nagtinda.
Not Papa.
Ah, okay.
Asawa ko yan yung lalaki. Malakas kaya doon ang tinda.
Anak ng asawa mo yung lalaki.
Ay, yung lalaki. Paano lang yung asawa? May anak sila naman.
Ah, okay. Stepson mo siya.
Oo, panganay.
Ah, stepson. That guy is stepson of her husband. Of her stepson. It's the son of her husband. They're playing.
So yeah, two people
Ah.
sleep here. So yeah, I was like, how does everybody can sleep? Okay, thank you.
This lot is for sale, guys. Magkano to ito? Lahat? Itong ano na to, lupa na to, magkano?
Oh, me no pera.
Magkano to binibenta?
Me no pera.
So this one is 185 million for sale. Before, when it has the building, it's 250 million, but they demolished the building, so less price, it's 185 now.
I don't know. I don't see anybody spending that kind of money, and then you got to spend like $1 billion.
It was apartment before.
Apartment?
Apartment and 7-Eleven, di ba? It was 7-Eleven and apartment before.
Look at Baraz there. Yeah, rainy. We walking, rainy.
Come on, love, it's raining. Let's go.
Okay, thanks. Yeah. What you gonna do?
Let's go. Hopefully it will stop. So that's the Sugu right there. They have also bar over here. They have the music. I said Luna Mavi, music lounge and a restaurant bar.
So many.
And
There's one next
Sawada
door.
Japanese restaurant.
They're like
Oh.
3 bars over there. This one is new. First
Yeah.
Love.
First Love KTV bar, that's the one. First Love KTV bar. Okay, it's kind of raining, so we're gonna stay there for a while.
Let's stay. Probably will stop. That's the papa.
So this is the Sawada Japanese restaurant. This one it was
H cafe.
yeah, it was H Cafe before. Still
There's a H cafe sign on one side.
yeah, and it's closed right now. Look like they are closed or they just So we're gonna stay here for a while, guys, because it's raining. So this is another condo here. It's Ichon Etalon Tower. Etalon Tower.
This is Mabini Street.
Yep, and there's another resto bar here. It's Rosamia Resto Bar.
I wonder what this is.
So finally the rain stopped. So we can continue walking. It's okay, we didn't have food. This one, it was broke before, it was on typhoon. That's why it's like that. Huh. Look at this toilet here.
Yeah, right? And it's new.
They have toilet here.
The toilet is new. New toilet, just needs plumbing.
But somebody used that.
No, it looks new. But yeah, who
Can
knows what
smell
they
it.
did, but oh yeah.
Gab
Whole area smells.
garbage everywhere.
I don't know why they
They
leave like
sleep at the back of this garbage. The truck didn't take this yet. There's probably a lot of mosquito there.
that. Oh, I told you flies. You stand over there, you're gonna see like 100 flies on you. Hello, hello. Cat food no come tomorrow maybe. Yeah, maybe tomorrow is gonna come. So how many you got? 3?
This girl sick. adopt a lot of cats, but she don't have food for them to feed them. This is how she live.
Yeah. Look,
Yung ganito isa namatay.
he's saying they died, the chickens, the baby.
Pinakain yung doon.
Yeah.
Galing sa galing sa Kalakal, nagtataka ako kasi pag namamalubos ako, pag nagigising ako may pagkain dyan. Sabi ko, hindi raw niya inani, sabi pala yung lalaki. Sabi ko, huwag mo lang bibigyan, tiga mo, pinapakain mo, 3 araw na ayaw kumain, oh. Tumutuka kulay
Still some
dilaw.
replies.
Pinakain ko na lahat
Come, you go.
ayaw kumain.
Yeah, it's a lot of flies.
Okay, so maybe tomorrow evening, maybe. Because they say tomorrow coming. So I'll give you the cat food. Okay. Come.
So she has 4 cats. She has 4 cats.
Then you have to put it on.
That girl, that woman, that lady, she been adopting all the cats that she can see, but she have no food to feed them.
She don't have no food for herself also?
Yeah, she has no food
The
to
husband
feed
was
herself.
there. Go.
I mean,
Husband was
why adopt the kittens? I mean the cat, the 3 cats. Yeah, they have a lot of cats.
He feeds them.
Yeah.
Careful with the camera, especially passing through the motorbikes or somebody comes.
Yeah. Oh, they demolish it?
This was waste, I could never understand
They closed it.
what they were doing here. I never understand.
Money changer.
Another money.
Golden majestic pension.
Hello, good evening, good afternoon, okay.
Yeah.
Hey, what's up?
Apo.
How are you?
Another money changer. Size store. That's the Big Daddy Wine House, and that's the Cebuana Luilia, and that's our barangay right there. The Crystal Loon Salon, yeah.
Part-time for rent.
And that's the 7-Eleven.
Boss.
Yeah, okay. Hmm. Ah.
Look like stabilized.
Oh. Don't sit close to them. They are upset.
Give the food and then you are
Mm. They have waving ear. Why is that also bar over here? Sick bar. Sana all. Yeah. Yeah, it's a good thing they finish here. Ah. So they start barbecue now, probably because it's finished construction, so they start selling barbecue.
I think they were still selling, but they were behind over there.
Wait lang dyan. Magkano dito?